Hey, what's up guys, Vinay here back with another video. Did you guys know that we can actually record our Windows screen using Microsoft PowerPoint? Oh yes, we can record. So in this video I'll show you how to record your Windows screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing is you need to have Microsoft Office installed on your laptop or computer. So then only this will be working. Once you install MS Office or Microsoft Office in your laptop, just right click anywhere and click on this new and create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And I'll give it a name called screen recording. And click on enter. It will ask you to add first slide. Just click here, and then at the top you can see there is a menu here which has a bunch of options. So in these options we have a option called insert. Just click on this insert button and it will get you a bunch of options again, and at the last you can see there is an option called screen recording. Just click on this screen recording option, and once you click on that screen recording, a pop-up will open where it will ask you to select the area where you want to record your screen. So basically if you select the area, so whatever you do in that part, everything gets recorded. So I'll select the entire my desktop, and once you select the entire area, just click on this record button and it will start the recording. Now whatever I do here will be recorded by Microsoft PowerPoint. I can move to different screens. I can move here, anywhere. Everything gets recorded there. I can also play a game. So everything is being recorded right now. Once you think that you want to stop the recording, just move your cursor to the topmost corner and it will show you a pop-up again. Just click on this stop button. So once you click on that stop button, whatever the recordings have been recorded will be added to the first slide in your PowerPoint. As you can see here, I'll just play the recording here. Now whatever I do here will be recorded by Microsoft PowerPoint. I can move to different you think that you want to stop the recording, just as you can see the recording has been recorded here. So now you want to save this recording to your any location in your computer. Just right click here on this video and there's an option called save media as. Just click on this button and it will ask you the location where you want to save this recording. I'll just save in my videos option, PowerPoint recording. PowerPoint recording. Sorry for my typo mistakes. Now the recording has been saved into my videos location. I'll just show it. As you can see here, and it is for 21.2 MB, and I'll just play here. Now whatever I do here will be recorded by Microsoft PowerPoint. I can move to different screens. I can move here, anywhere. As you can see, we just recorded our Windows screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. That's it, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down, and please leave a comment below for the reason you don't like the video. Until next time, this is Vinay signing off. You guys are awesome. Bye bye.